What's up, everybody? It is now Wednesday, March 18th, and I feel like every day there's so many new things that happen these days, so I'm going to bring you along with me today. I actually originally planned for today to be my sort of official day in the life video where I take you on my full day in private practice. Wednesdays are the day of the week when I drop my daughter off at daycare and I see lots of clients and I spend a lot of time working on my e-course. Because of the current situation, I don't have access to daycare and things have changed a lot, so today's going to look a lot different than my usual Wednesday, but I thought it would be really great to still bring you along. So because things are changing so rapidly and things look different depending on where you live, an update on where I live in Santa Clara County. As of yesterday, which was Tuesday, they implemented a mandate to shelter in place. So what that means basically is there's a mandate that you can't leave your house except for a few key essential reasons like getting groceries and for certain essential businesses. Fortunately, in my county, under this mandate, mental health is considered one of those essential businesses. So I am still doing exclusively teletherapy, but I'm doing it from the office for as long as the mandate sort of allows that that's an option. The office has much better internet and it's just far more set up for therapy. It's just easier to make it confidential. So I'm going to the office to meet with my clients. There's snow on the mountains. Simple joys in life. Do you see the snow? Now, if you've been following me on this channel for some time, then you may have noticed that I've been posting to this channel way more often than I normally do. Normally, I just post once a week, sometimes twice a week, and I've just been posting back to back so far this week. Now, part of the reason for that is I really want to disseminate helpful information in this really unique time, if at all possible, but I also want to bring you along because I have a feeling that this whole social distancing thing is really gonna wear on our mental health over time, and so if there's anything we can do to lean into community virtually, I think it's really great to access that. With that said, let me know in the comments if there's anything in particular that you're hoping to see more or hear more about specific to this unique season that we're in, and I'd love to experiment with making some new videos while we all stay connected. It's Wednesday morning right now, it's 8:56 a.m. and I have a client at 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. today, so I'm gonna run off in a second. I do have an update since the video I posted earlier this week about making the switch to exclusively teletherapy. In that video, I said that once I rolled out the announcement that I'm making that switch on Saturday at least, all but one of my clients canceled for that day, and I thought it was sort of an ominous sign that like my practice is basically going to be empty for the next season of life. But fortunately and unfortunately, however you want to look at it, that has not been the case for the rest of this week, and in fact I am busier than usual. I'm also needing to reduce the total number of slots on my schedule because I don't have the same kind of access to childcare, as you can imagine, since everything is shut down. All right, well, I need to run off and meet with my two clients, but I'm gonna bring you along for my day. We'll see what unfolds and I'll keep you posted.
2 hours later.
All right, so it's a couple of hours later. I met with two clients via Doxy. So far, I'm still really enjoying this platform. The trend seems to be that whatever stressors have been going on for my clients that they're normally seeking my support for, they are now amplified. There's kind of this sense that people are trapped literally in their homes and they're not able to access sort of the things that help them mentally escape whatever their troubles are. So I'm so grateful that I'm able to still provide teletherapy for my clients in this season, and I'm gonna do the best I can to maintain my health. For today, I asked my housemate to watch my daughter, who normally works, but she's not working right now because of the nature of what's happening, or at least not working in the same way. So she's able to watch my daughter today, but I'm gonna head home ASAP so I can relieve her of those duties. Normally on Wednesdays at this point, I work on my e-course from now until my evening clients, which starts at around 6 o'clock. So that's like a solid 7 hours just to work on that, but I won't be doing that today and probably not at all until whenever daycare opens again. But that's okay, that's the nature of our times, and I'm just like not in the headspace to work on other things right now, to be honest. Oh, that makes for an awesome segue that I didn't even plan for. I wonder if that was like one of those weird Freudian slips, but I was gonna tell you guys that Headspace announced that they're offering their app for free through the end of 2020 for all healthcare providers. So I'll put links to that below if you're interested. It's free and it's fantastic. All right, so I'm gonna log off for now. I'll see you hopefully later today, but I need to close down my office, and these days it takes a lot longer because I have to Lysol everything. So here we go. I gotta Lysol you too. Cameras are germ catchers too. All right, catch you on the flip side. It's time for round 2, my friends. If I could just reach this light switch. Got it. What? That. It's now 6:10 p.m. I'm back for a 6:30 client. So this afternoon, all I did was take care of my daughter, and then I took a nap while she took a nap. Well, I have some tasks that I need to complete before I meet with my clients, so I'm gonna get to those and I'll check in with you later this evening. All right, well, I'm officially all done seeing clients for today. So I've been reflecting on my day today and noticing that there's a trend both for my clients and for myself of just feeling really tired of talking about all of the current events. And so I've been digesting that a little bit and thinking that it might really be valuable to find ways to infuse as much joy as possible into the world. And so in my little corner of the world through these videos, I think after I post this video, not to deny reality, but just to give a spot of joy, I think I'm gonna be focusing primarily on positive things in addition to my sort of how-to videos that you're used to seeing, so that hopefully for those of you who watch the videos that you feel like there's something positive to look forward to and that your mind can have a break from thinking about all of the things that are going on that are maybe challenging. So as you see the videos that come after this one, whatever they end up looking like, and noticing that I'm just like not talking about current events, now you know why I'm gonna choose to do that. And I think I'm gonna leave off here. I don't know if there's like a main takeaway. I'm just grateful that you're here and watching, and this is kind of my way of staying connected a little bit these days. So thank you for watching and joining me, and I wish you all the best. So until next time, from one therapist to another, I wish you well. I'm grateful for you all who are continuing to meet with your clients as well in the various capacities that you're able to at this time. If no one's told you lately, thank you, you're doing a good job, and we're just doing the best we can.